Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kumba Jule Manlaw Snem, Katanat Sipai Yadari, ka Border Security Force, Meghalaya Frontier, Kalalum yaki nong patay kubor, ban penbena yaki kam kibakalale, habaro sisnem kenti. Kani kalajah kasni thot dieng jong tayo, kalai tarik ukulalang arajar arpo, ha headquarter jong BSF Umpling. Hakajing ekran bat gilat patay kubor, Ukuldip Saini, Inspector General jong BSF Meghalaya Frontier, ulaong ba usnem arajar kat kandai ulalong ubabun kam, nabentag sipai dari jong kani katanat, hakabakilaya kendo, ban kem bat kurup yak jing kayitu hakapot. Na pedeng gi babon ki kam ka kenhon jong ginong yada khapot ka balong ru ka bahakmat do bantur persya ya ginong syun ka jutrei ru ya ki kam traimon ngobha rengkat bat ki riu paj ba hakhapot ban kentiu ya ka roi ka par bat ka yo ka kon Ukuldip Saini IG ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier ulabatai ru shushu halor ka jing yo kurup ya ki masi bashalanto jari Bangladesh kumju ru ya ki pisa thok balatip kum ka foreign Indian currency note bat ka jing khayi yo drugs bat ki dawai pun buai Hakawai pat kaliang ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier ka jupunlong ru ya ki wei ki program kum ka Jal Shakti Bhayan campaign ka jing rakhe ya ka yoga day ki program thung dieng ki blood donation camp ka jing rakhe ya ka Kargil Vijay Divas bat ka run for martyrs
for Meghalaya Frontier, which is guarding more than 444 kilometers of Indo-Bangladesh border. The troops of this frontier perform their duties with full dedication and devotion, and as a result, more than 36 crore seizure which could affect, beside apprehension of 176 illegal entrant and smuggler on the IB. In addition to the border duties, our troops were also deployed for assembly election duty in the state of Meghalaya, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Our companies are still deployed in the state of Assam and Meghalaya to help civil administration in the maintenance of law and order duties. We are not only discharging duties on the border, but we are also organizing socio-economic activities on the border to help the local population. We organize various civic action programs and constructed 7 toilet blocks in schools, besides distributing sports items and stationery items to the children in the border area. We also organized tailoring and computer classes for the border population and distributed 15 computers and 19 sewing machines to the ladies, needy ladies in that area. We also organized the medical camps, 5 medical camps, and distributed medicines and spectacles to the border population. We organized a special course for 24 youth of Garo Hills, and 8-week training they were given in cooking, housekeeping and driving, so that they get a better employment, and they were also given offer of appointment in some hotel in Gurgaon and that Bangalore. This frontier organized number of activities including the blood donation camps and plantation drive and Swachhta action plan. The latest one was from 1st of December to 15th of December. We organized Swachhta Pakhwada and conducted Safai Abhiyan in and around our campus in the civil area, also known Mysore. In order to maintain peace and tranquility on the border area and to have a cordial relation with our counterpart, we are conducting meetings with the BJP at various levels from time to time. As a result, you may have seen that no untoward incident had taken place in the area of responsibility of this frontier. Some steps that these cattle which are auctioned, these are not recycled. We are taking certain steps, that in marking of the cattle and giving to certain person, and from time to time we are asking what for they are being utilized. So it is not like that. Earlier the cattle used to be handed over to the custom and they used to be given on auction and recirculated. But this trend is now curved to a greater extent. Generally from 3 to 3.5 kilometer area is given to a particular BOP, and we are already having about 125 BOPs on the border. So right now we are not having any plan to establish more BOPs, but let us see, depending on the situation in the area, the government may take a call. And as regards your manpower, yes, that I agree, that certain difficulties are being faced, but whatever duty it is assigned to us, we have to discharge the duties, and within the given manpower, only thing is our men have to perform more duties for a longer duration, and you must have seen no untoward incident or like that laxity on the part of the BSF. You must have noticed, even with the available strength on the border. The reports we are getting it is the other way round. Because of this fear, the people who are residing in India, Bangladesh people who have illegally crossed over to India, they are going back to the Bangladesh and they were apprehended there. Whatever you are saying, we take it, whatever press is saying, we have to believe it.
But officially, sir, have you received any information?
That's what. No, because this such type of incident has not taken place from Meghalaya frontier, so we have not got any such information. But only thing is, demand had been asked from us, and we have projected our demand to the government. Let us see when it materializes. I cannot give you the exact timeline, but certainly there is a proposal that in vulnerable area we may have surveillance through the drones. It depends on the availability of the land. There are certain issues regarding handing over the land to the construction agency also, that we have already taken up with the state administration. So there are certain issues regarding acquisition of the land also in certain patches. So that is, unless the land is acquired, you cannot construct the fence on that. 8 kilometer, the area fence is not yet started, and about 47 kilometer, that area fence is under progress.
Is it largely in South Garo Hills?
No, Garo Hill there are only small patches. If you all know, it is in West Jaintia Hill and East Khasi. So, as I told you earlier, we are having surveillance equipment and mobile patrolling, vehicle patrolling, we are covering, and then we have boats also to cover that area. We have motor boats, speed boats.